What's up, SOI fam? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video, you guys. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn post notifications so I get notified every time we post. With that being said, today, SOI fam, I want to show you guys how to replace the battery in your key fob. If you got like a Nissan or Infiniti Key fob, because they're pretty much the same. Just the symbol is different, but the overall key fob is pretty much the same. So I'm going to show you guys how to replace the key fob, to replace the actual I can't think, y'all. I'm gonna show you guys how to replace the actual battery in the key fob. So like I said, it's pretty simple. You will need a flathead or like some type of thing to pry the thing together to pry it open. The battery, it's like a 2032, I think, and yeah, the actual key fob itself. So yeah, you guys hop into the video. Make sure y'all follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook at SOI Customs. So yeah, make sure y'all follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. And y'all go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We're back to making content. We got some stuff coming up with the Infiniti, stuff like that. But yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe so y'all post notifications in. So let's get into this how-to. Alright, SOI fam. So I see I got the keys right here. The key fob is dead in the Infiniti. So I decided to go ahead and change it myself instead of like going someplace and paying money. But I went to Dollar General and they did not have like a 2-pack of one battery. They have 4 in the pack. So yeah, let's just say I can do this for a very long time. So I'm actually going to take this off my ring of keys. Let me know if you guys like my Princess Tiana little key fob thingy. I used to have a Steelers one, but I changed it out. New beginnings, you guys. So, got the key fob. I don't know what happened to my button, but y'all know I knew I'm gonna keep my cover on, so it's just off right now. But yeah, this is the batteries that it uses. Focus 2032. So first you wanna do is take this out, and then you want to kind of pry around it, and I don't think it closed fully. So you got it in 2 separate pieces. You see the battery right here. You want to get the flat. You need a flat head or some type of pry tool. But I got a flat head, and then you want to lift this part up right here, like so. And y'all see 20, 32, 20. There it is. And we are going to cut this open. I'm going to do this real quick off on the side. I might have should have did this ahead of time, y'all. So we got the battery. Right, y'all. They changed the back of it. Hopefully this crap work. Alright, let me get it put in. Do we pull this little clamp thing back? Oh snap, I'm dropping the battery. Get up. Yeah, got it. Alright, clamp thing is in. The battery's in. We're gonna connect the little key fob back inside like so. Snap it all together like so. And then I'm gonna put the key back in, and I'm gonna walk and test it real quick. Alright, you guys, so it works. So now I just gotta put my little cover thing back on, but I think I left it in the car. Connect my keys back to it real quick. This is actually gifted to me, the little Infiniti little thing, the jiggy. It was gifted to me by somebody, so yeah, very good. That's how you change your battery in your key fob. And these were $11.25 at Dollar General, guys. It's probably cheaper like on Amazon or something, but yeah, I needed it done today, and yeah, so yeah, so it's really simple to change. All you need is your battery, your key fob, and a flathead. or like some type of pry too, but you know, flathead will work. So a flathead and the pry everything off, and just change out your battery, and booyah, you don't have to worry about it no more. So battery is changed, and now I have 3 more. So whenever my battery dies again, I'm just gonna go and change these. But yeah. Alright, that's all I can. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications so you can get notified every time I post. Follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook at SOI